been spending way too long checking my tongue in the mirror and bending over backwards just to try.
Promiscuous, my style is ridiculous. If you see us in the club, we'll be acting. Sing this song, so wrap me in plastic and make me shine. We can make a dollhouse, follow your design. Let's build a dog out of sticks and twine. I can call you master, you can call me mine. Wrap me in plastic and make
Draco, Soldier, she make it clap, clap, clap. Draco, Soldier, she make it clap, clap, clap. She make it clap, clap, clap. She make it. She make it. Yeah, you got that yummy, 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 yummy. Say the word on my way. Yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe.
Amazon Kitchen Must-Haves Part 1. Cooking burns suck, so I picked up these oven rack shields since I'm going to be baking a lot more around this time of the year. They come in a pack of 4 and can heat up to 445 degrees. These little blue apples have literally saved me so much money and less food waste. It keeps your produce fresher longer by absorbing ethylene gas, which actually causes your veggies and fruits to over-ripen. Each packet will last 3 months and it comes with a year's supply. Amazon gadgets you need. These turn cans into bottles. It's much easier to drink from and you can put it back in the fridge without worrying about losing fizz. They come in a pack of 6 and they fit very securely. Okay, this isn't just any alarm clock. First of all, it's super cute. It almost looks like decor. It's dimmable, shows the temperature along with humidity, but what I love is at the top is a wireless charger. Amazon kitchen finds you need. This iridescent mug is so cute. It's perfect for your tea or coffee. I love that it comes with this wooden lid so you can store away any unfinished drink. This gold coffee spoon, not only does it look aesthetically pleasing in your kitchen, but it's also very functional as it comes with a clip to seal up your coffee. These gold measuring spoons are specifically made to fit into your spice bottles. Regular measuring spoons never fit fully into mine, so these are a must-have. Random things I love from my recent Amazon haul. These matte pastel tumblers come in a pack of 4 and they're so cute. I love that they're double insulated so there's no condensation on the outside. This decorative tray is so adorable. You can either use it as a wall mirror or a perfume tray like I do. I keep my most loved perfumes and body sprays here. I also love how detailed this is for only 15 bucks. Amazon kitchen finds you absolutely need. If you love garlic but you're tired of the tedious chopping, you need to get this garlic chopper. It makes cooking so much easier, especially if you add garlic into everything like I do. All you have to do is pack in the cloves and then roll it back and forth a few times until it's chopped to your liking. And then I just give it a few shakes and that's literally it. It's all evenly chopped and it saves me so much time. Breakfast is the most rushed and neglected meal in our house, so we made a little bagel station. Starting off with this bagel slicer, it quickly slices your bagel with a clean and even cut without getting a bunch of crumbs everywhere. Next is our favorite retro-style toaster. It looks so cute on your counter. It has 7 different toast settings and options for defrost or reheat. I toast my bagels to level 4 and it comes out perfect every time.
I said my face bomb, abs tight, rack stuck up, shack height, jury on me, flashlight. I've been listening since last night. Hit 'em with that good, make you wanna act right. Broke boys don't deserve no kitty. I know that's right. Big bag, pussy, not the Bentley band. Take a mem.
You see this? We want this. We love this. We need this. But this, yeah, we don't need this.
Welcome to my Amazon kitchen favorites. This ceramic mason jar doubles as a measuring cup. It has each measuring cup on the inside. Perfect to use along with this silicone popcorn maker that's collapsible. Just add your ingredients, pop it in the microwave, and you have the perfect home-cooked popcorn. The mason jar also looks great as a rustic home decor. Tired of those dirty sink sponges? You need to check these out. They're antibacterial food-grade silicone that's also dishwasher safe. Everyone needs these reusable glass bench jars. They're perfect for drinks so they don't stain your teeth, and they come with a cleaner.
Amazon kitchen must-haves I can't live without. First up is this over-the-sink drying rack. It's silicone, saves counter space, and the best part is you can roll it up whenever you're done. Next is this brush and sponge holder. You can also hang a little rag. It just hooks onto your sink. It's super easy and gets the sponges off your sink. And lastly is this lemon squeezer. I don't know why I went so long without this in my life, but it's life-changing.
4 Amazon kitchen must-haves. The number one kitchen find that's made such a big difference in our home are these tic-tac-tile backsplash peel and stick removable tiles. You've probably seen these, but they really just stick on like thick wallpaper and fit together like a puzzle. It's such an easy upgrade and makes our kitchen so much brighter. Second is this adjustable cutlery organizer. Before this, we just had a simple plastic white one, and it always drove me nuts that it didn't fit. This one's such an upgrade. It looks great, and you can adjust it perfectly to whatever size you need, plus it holds so much more. Next is this glass cup. Like many of you, I'm sure, I'm addicted to iced coffee, and I love this cup for everyday use. It comes in so many colors, and I love the wood look of the lid. Not to mention glass is such a great sustainable option. Lastly, but not to be underestimated, are these magnetic paper protectors. I obviously have kid art in them, but these are so great for calendars or anything important that you need to keep on the fridge or any magnetic surface. Links to everything in my bio.
언제였던 건지 기억나지 않아. 자꾸 내 머리가 너로 어지럽던 시작.
한두 번씩 떠오르던 생각 자꾸 늘어가서
조금 당황스러운 이 마음.
별일이 아닐 수 있다고.
사소한 마음이라고.
She's a runner, she's a track star. She gon' run away when it gets hard. She can't take the pain, she can't get scarred. She hurt anyone that gets involved. Don't wanna commit, why take it this far? She gon' do the race, just not this one. Love is a game you used to cheer for. When I was down to talk, you weren't here for. You were.
Clever storage cabinet idea for your next kitchen remodel. This built-in pantry cabinet on the side of the fridge creates tons of storage without taking up much space. This soap dispensing sponge holder is from Amazon, and it is linked in my bio. It is 3 pieces in total, and it is easy to install. It also comes with a sponge, and it dispenses the perfect amount of soap.
that I should walk away, but I just won't.